Hi guys, nag-uumpisa na sila kumain guys. Hey mga idol. Let's eat mga idol.
You more don't know chicken or chicken lay. So
What is this? What is that idol? Wow, nice food idol. Oh, pansit. Wow. What's that? Oh. Butter chicken. Jericho Rosales. Wow. Wow. Oy. Nice food, Jericho Rosales. Hi sir, how are you sir? Good job,
sir.
Oh. Oh. We will be full our stomach, guys. Our stomach will be full. Wow. We are hungry already, guys. Came from work direct from here just to eat the nice food. Wow. Hi sir, how are you? Okay. How's the taste of my recipe? It's good?
It is good.
Okay, good job guys. I hope you will enjoy eating it. How are you, my friend? How are you? Good? Allah. Hi. Assalamualaikum. Taste, I'm the one who cook more recipe there.
Yeah.
More menu.
You always speak nice.
I asked already, they said I cook very well.
Happy birthday.
Okay guys, let's eat first.